Welcome to our final lecture, The Renaissance of Resilience, Catalyzing Change Through Overcoming Adversities. Today, we'll explore how individuals and communities leverage the spirit of the European Renaissance and humanistic principles to navigate adversity, fostering resilience and social transformation. Let's begin by reminding ourselves of the European Renaissance, a period of fervent intellectual, artistic, political, and economic rebirth after the Middle Ages. As we delve into today's discussion, remember that the essence of the Renaissance was about the rebirth of self-belief and understanding our human potential. Our first illustration comes from Siena, Italy, where the local community exemplified resilience during the COVID-19 pandemic. Quarantined at home, Sienese sang from their balconies, sharing operatic melodies to uplift the collective spirits. This epitomizes the Renaissance spirit of unity and belief in the healing power of art, echoing the communal singing that occurred in the city squares during the Renaissance. Our second example is the community-led revitalization of Detroit, Michigan. After the city declared bankruptcy in 2013, citizens, artists, and entrepreneurs worked to restore it, akin to the renewal that marked the European Renaissance. Detroit is now a vibrant hub of art, culture, and innovation, demonstrating how resilience and collective effort can transform adversity into opportunity. Another uplifting example is the community of Kibera, Nairobi's largest informal settlement. This community faces poverty and deprivation daily, yet they found ways to create a sustainable livelihood by setting up vertical gardens and recycled sacks due to the lack of agricultural land. This community echoes the Renaissance spirits of creativity and ingenuity in the face of adversity, teaching us that resilience can foster innovation. So how can we practice this Renaissance resilience in our lives as a way to improve ourselves and support our communities? Here are 5 tips to put these humanistic principles into action. Cultivate curiosity. Nurture an unending thirst for knowledge and embrace diverse fields, and let your interests guide you. This will create a robust foundation, enabling you to bounce back from setbacks. Value human experience. Acknowledge the full spectrum of human emotions and experiences, and recognize adversity as a catalyst for growth. Exercise independent thinking. Do not be afraid to question norms. Stand up for what you believe in, and make sure your voice is heard. Embrace creativity. Let your creative spirit shine through, finding ingenious solutions to problems. Pursue lifelong learning. Commit to learning through your life, from every success and setback. This will ensure that you continually grow and adapt, bolstering your resilience. In conclusion, resilience is not just about bouncing back from adversity, but using that adversity as a catalyst for personal and communal growth by channeling the spirit of the Renaissance and humanistic principles. We can transform adversity into opportunities for renewal and revolution. Thank you all for being a part of this journey into the Renaissance of resilience.